me back, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own.
We are stuck in this elevator. Dun, 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 dun. Hello! Today we are starting off this vlog with this princess. Let me open up the blinds that I can get a bit of light. Today we're taking pictures with Auntie Winnie. Today is going to be content day and a little baby girl is dolled up. I mean, look at this cutie, right? So we are ready and I have my laptop with me. I feel like I want to do a little bit of editing on our way because I do have some work to complete, but yeah, we'll see you later on.
Someone told me this ain't love.
We are stuck in this elevator. Dun, 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 dun.
Abby, is it a slow below?
Are you as scared as I am?
Is this like 8? Hold on, let me see. Yeah. Yes. You want a second? Yes. Hello?
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad.
There's a key.
Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Guys, this place is so beautiful. Like, this is gorgeous. I love how everything is just like neutral. And it has like this concrete, I don't know, like this concrete wall finish. Oh, I love it. It's just keeping clean. The mirror is gorgeous. The curtains are beautiful. I think there's like a dresser behind. I love it. Like, it's so minimalistic, but like it's so clean as well. So I'm gonna quickly set up.
Let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we
Just set up. It's pretty set up.
No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to the feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, right. So right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud. Making me proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been there for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, feel it, I feel it. I feel it. This gon' be the ending of all this pain. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't
This is
post. The world will know.
No, this one is nice.
This is nice.
I think that
Oh, I like it. This is nice. This location is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, this is giving me like a maternity shoot.
Yeah. I love that.
Oh, me too. Huh? Oh, look at that.
This is nice.
So, this is nice. I like that they are all very clean.
Yeah.
I think I still prefer your own, the first one.
That first one, right?
Come on! Okay, I feel like looking alive today. I'm thinking I'll use microphone, but maybe that'll be later on. Yeah. Oh, should we repack your hair? It's a bit loose now. So I don't know what I'm gonna do first, but I think I want to, I don't know, I think I want to do my nails, get that out of the way. And then I'm gonna be using these eye patches. This one's from Bolden Awake today, so I'm gonna be using this. It feels so good. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, so I'm thinking I want to just quickly do the nails. You know, like I still feel crappy even with this on my face. Little girl is crawling to meet me, but I'm gonna run away. But yeah, I have my nails here, obviously, and I have this box here. This is going to be the set that I'm using. I don't know, but this one, I got this one from Amazon. Ooh, okay. I'm thinking I want to make this like a tutorial, even though like it's my first time trying this out. I still want it to be tutorial based. I still look at my baby. Look at her. Look at her. Hi. That hood is so beautiful, but you know, it also is so hard. So I want to set up this camera because I think I want to use this camera as my link. By the way, guys, I don't think I told you. Let me put on my microphone. I feel like I want like good audio. Oopsie, sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god, my girl is looking at me and I feel so guilty. She has this like cute face on her face. Oh! She has like a very cute look on her face. Oh my god. Oh my god. Killer. You guys see why I can never get anything done? Because just look at that. Why wouldn't I want to carry her? I got a new camera, by the way, not this one. I've still not unboxed it because I feel like I want to do a video of me unboxing it. Like, you know how I do like my normal tech videos where I kind of unbox it, review it, try it on, first impression, and all of that. Yeah, I got a new camera and I'm so excited for it. Let me show you guys, by the way. Yeah, so this is a camera that I got. My new camera and some lenses as well. I got like 3 lenses. I still want to get like 2 more lenses and get a drone as well, because next year my content, I don't know, I've just not been liking my videos, like the quality and the delivery as well. Maybe because I'm just trying to balance life and survive with the baby. But I got the Canon R8. I'm super excited for it and I can't wait to try it out and for you guys to see what it looks like. Come, let's go back down, baby. So that's the gist. But next year I'm kind of trying to be deliberate with life, to be honest with you, and let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed things turn out amazing. But I want to upgrade my quality. I want to be filming strictly in 4K. I just want, like, I can, you know, when you see yourself in the future
and you see yourself stepping into that elevated version of yourself. That's how I feel about next year. I feel like I've spent the last 2 years, you know, creating beautiful babies, creating my legacies, and I've sacrificed the last 2 years focusing on them and like what's best for them and all that. I don't know why I'm touching her hands, but like I'm getting kind of like emotional stuff. But now next year I need to focus on me and work and all that. Yeah, so that's it, by the way. And yeah, that's where my head is at right now. But let me see your lips. Why are your lips looking this color? Okay, so I'm gonna quickly attempt to do my nails as well. I'm hoping that Kayla will comply with me. I think I need to get some sunscreen. I've not even started and you're crying already. What did I do? Hey guys, so I did the nails. I don't know how to feel about this, to be honest with you. This is my first trial. I feel like we could definitely do better. And I feel like I learned as I was going, some things that I kind of learned while I was trying to do this. The first two were not so bad. So the first two. You want to come? You come. Come. Hands up. Ah, hands up. Stand up. Stand up. Up, up. That's my girl. Hi. Oh, you're so gorgeous. You're so gorgeous. I thought. Why still cute?
So yeah, what was I felt like this past month has just been so overwhelming. I don't know, I've just felt overwhelmed with a lot of things. But we're taking it slowly, we're trying new things. Actually, Christmas is around the corner, guys. We move. Yeah, you're such a cutie. I can't believe I made this hair for you last night and now it's like rough. But yeah, guys, that's the gist for now. That's where we are at. Yeah, I might just, you know, clear out my archive for this year. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of planning now, like I said before. We want to see how it goes. So that's where we're at.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. Ooh, ooh. You, ooh, ooh. I'm trying my best. over. I don't know what to do.